Welcome everyone. Since the dawn of humanity we have looked up at the stars and dreamed of exploring the cosmos. Today that dream is closer than ever to becoming a reality. With advancements in space technology, organizations like SpaceX and NASA are leading the race to colonize Mars, establish moon bases, and push humanity beyond our solar system. But how close are we to actually living on another planet? What challenges do we face? And what does the future hold for space exploration? Let's find out. Why Mars? Why not Venus, a planet often called Earth's twin, shrouded in thick clouds of sulfuric acid, or Europa, a moon of Jupiter with its vast hidden oceans? The answer lies in the intricate details that make Mars the most suitable candidate for our first extraterrestrial home. Mars whispers a tale of possibility. It has a thin atmosphere composed mostly of carbon dioxide, making it unbreathable for us Earthlings. But that very atmosphere offers protection from harmful solar radiation, a luxury Venus can't afford. And that carbon dioxide? It's the building block for plant life, for terraforming, for transforming Mars into a more Earth-like habitat. And then there's the water. Beneath the dry, dusty Martian surface, locked away in polar ice caps and perhaps even in underground reservoirs, lies water ice, the lifeblood of any future colony. Water to drink, water to grow crops, water to split into oxygen for breathing and hydrogen for fuel. Mars is not a paradise, not yet anyway. It's a harsh mistress with frigid temperatures, a weak magnetic field, and a surface bombarded by radiation. But it's a challenge we can overcome, a frontier we can conquer. Now when we talk about Mars colonization, one name inevitably rockets to the forefront. Elon Musk. Love him or loathe him, you can't deny the sheer audacity, the breathtaking ambition of his vision. Musk doesn't just want to send a few astronauts to Mars, he wants to create a self-sustaining city, a bustling Martian metropolis of 1 million souls, by the 2050s, and his weapon of choice in this grand endeavor, the Starship. Imagine a spacecraft, not just reusable, but rapidly reusable, capable of ferrying 100 or more passengers to Mars and back again and again, like a cosmic shuttle service. That's the Starship. A behemoth of a machine towering over the Saturn V rocket, designed to be refueled in orbit, a critical factor in making interplanetary travel more affordable and sustainable. But how does Musk plan to pull this off? It all hinges on a three-pronged strategy. First, mass transportation. The Starship is designed to be a game-changer, capable of carrying 100 passengers or more per trip. Musk envisions launching a fleet of these starships every 26 months, when Earth and Mars are closest together in their celestial dance, creating a steady stream of human traffic to the red planet. Second, sustainable living on Mars. Musk isn't content with just sending people on one-way trips. He wants them to thrive. His plans involve harnessing the power of the Martian sun for energy, creating underground habitats shielded from radiation, and developing systems to extract water ice from the Martian soil and atmosphere. The goal is nothing short of creating a closed-loop ecosystem, a self-sufficient Martian society, yet SpaceX is making tangible progress. The Starship is undergoing rigorous testing, with prototypes already pushing the boundaries of spaceflight. Unmanned cargo missions are on the horizon, followed by the ultimate goal, the first crewed mission to Mars. While SpaceX sets its sights on the red planet, NASA, the granddaddy of space exploration, is taking a more measured approach. Their strategy? The moon first. Before we leap to Mars, NASA believes we must learn to walk on the lunar surface, to establish a permanent human presence on our closest celestial neighbor. Think of it as a cosmic training ground, a dress rehearsal for the grand Martian adventure. Enter the Artemis program, NASA's ambitious plan to return humans to the moon, this time to stay. Artemis First, an uncrewed test flight, has already graced the heavens, paving the way for Artemis II, which will send astronauts on a daring loop around the moon, a prelude to the grand finale, Artemis III, slated to land astronauts on the lunar surface by 2026. But the Artemis missions are just the tip of the lunar iceberg. NASA envisions a permanent lunar outpost, a gateway if you will, orbiting the moon. Imagine a bustling space station, a cosmic truck stop, providing a safe harbor for spacecraft, a refueling depot for deep space missions, and a launch pad for future journeys to Mars and beyond. The moon offers a unique proving ground, a chance to test technologies for deep space survival in a relatively close and familiar environment. Life support systems, radiation shielding, in-situ resource utilization, all these critical components of long-duration spaceflight can be refined and perfected on the Moon before we take the giant leap to Mars. By establishing a permanent presence on the Moon, we open up a treasure trove of scientific discovery, unraveling the mysteries of our cosmic neighborhood. Chapter 4: The Rise of the Space Entrepreneurs. Now, while government agencies like NASA have long dominated the spacefaring narrative, a new breed of explorers is emerging from the shadows, the space entrepreneurs. These are the risk-takers, the visionaries, the ones who see the boundless potential of space not just as a scientific frontier, but as a business opportunity, a realm ripe for innovation and disruption. Take Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, and his company, Blue Origin. Bezos's vision for space colonization is nothing short of audacious: to create massive, rotating space habitats, O'Neill cylinders, capable of housing millions of people. These self-sufficient artificial worlds would provide all the comforts of Earth, from lush gardens and flowing rivers to bustling cities and starry skies. Then there's Richard Branson and Virgin Galactic, offering the ultimate thrill-ride suborbital space tourism. Imagine strapping yourself into a sleek spacecraft, rocketing up to the edge of space, experiencing a few minutes of weightlessness, and gazing down upon the curvature of our beautiful blue planet. And let's not forget Rocket Lab, a company dedicated to making space travel more accessible and affordable. Their Electron rocket, a marvel of miniaturization, is designed to launch small satellites into orbit, opening up a world of possibilities for everything from Earth observation to telecommunications. These private companies are injecting a much-needed dose of competition, innovation, and entrepreneurial spirit into the space industry. Chapter 5: Reaching for the Stars, the Quest for Interstellar Travel. Now, colonizing Mars, even establishing a lunar base, those are ambitious goals, no doubt. But they pale in comparison to the ultimate challenge, the holy grail of space exploration, interstellar travel. To journey to another star system, to set foot on a planet orbiting a distant sun, that's the stuff of science fiction, right? Well, maybe not. Scientists and engineers are hard at work exploring new propulsion technologies, concepts that seem ripped from the pages of science fiction, yet hold the potential to turn those fantastical dreams into reality. First up, nuclear fusion rockets. Imagine harnessing the power of the stars themselves, the same process that fuels our sun, to propel a spacecraft across the vast interstellar gulf. Nuclear fusion promises to be orders of magnitude more efficient than our current chemical rockets, potentially reducing travel time to Mars from 6 grueling months to a mere 30 days. But why stop there? If we're talking about pushing the boundaries of physics, let's talk about antimatter propulsion. Antimatter, the enigmatic twin of ordinary matter, is the most energy-dense substance known to science. When matter and antimatter meet, they annihilate each other in a burst of pure energy. Harness that energy, and you have a propulsion system that could theoretically propel a spacecraft to a significant fraction of the speed of light. But if we're talking about speed, we can't ignore the ultimate cosmic shortcut warp drives. A warp drive, as envisioned by science fiction and explored by theoretical physicists, would manipulate the very fabric of space-time, creating a bubble around a spacecraft that allows it to travel faster than light without actually breaking the cosmic speed limit. Chapter 6: A Cosmic Legacy. Becoming a multi-planetary species. As we stand at the precipice of this new era of space exploration, one question looms large: why? Why strive to colonize Mars, to reach for the stars, to venture out into the vast cosmic ocean when we have so many challenges here on Earth? The answer lies not in escaping our problems, but in confronting our destiny. The destiny of humanity, of life itself, is to expand, to explore, to push the boundaries of what's possible. It's woven into the very fabric of our being, this innate desire to explore the unknown, to reach beyond the horizon, to seek new life and new civilizations. But there's another, perhaps even more compelling reason to become a multi-planetary species: survival. Our pale blue dot, as Carl Sagan so eloquently put it, is a fragile oasis in the vast cosmic desert. We face threats both natural and self-inflicted: asteroid impacts, climate change, nuclear war, any one of which could spell the end of our civilization, perhaps even our species. By spreading out into the cosmos, by establishing a foothold on other worlds, we create a backup plan for humanity, a hedge against the ultimate cosmic gamble. We ensure that no single catastrophe can wipe out the hard-won achievements of our species. But becoming a multi-planetary species is not just about survival. It's about thriving. It's about expanding our horizons, our knowledge, our understanding of the universe, and our place within it. The stars, my friends, are calling. Outroad, the future is up there. What do you think? Will humans colonize Mars within our lifetime? Will we ever travel beyond our solar system? The journey ahead is filled with challenges, but if history has taught us anything, it's that the human spirit is unstoppable. Leave your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting space content.